So today, 2025, number one, make the journey to God's side. Hindi pwedeng, okay lang, Lord, kung nandiyan ka, make the journey. Make the step. You have to exert effort. I want to know you more. May I ask you now just to bow your heads and say, Lord, gusto ko pong makilala pa kayo more closely. I want to really have a deeper relationship with you, Lord. Please grant me that grace. I really want to know you more dearly, love you more truly, and follow you more closely. Amen. The Lord heard your prayer, and He takes your words seriously.